Good morning, guys. Myself Sandeep Kumar Reddy from Engineers Competitive Training Academy. Today, I'll be discussing about the notification of SSC CPU examination. As you can see, it is dated on 17th of June. So, you can go through what exactly the submission date of online starts from 17th to 16th July 2020, and last date and time for the receipt of application, everything is given. You can directly go through that, and computer based examination will be in March. So please, whoever has done graduation, they can apply for this, but there is a height criteria of near about 170 centimeters. I'll discuss regarding that. The posts are sub inspector in Central Armed Police Forces. It's a grade level 6 actually, and sub inspector executive for the male as well as female in Delhi Police. So you should know what exactly the vacancies and all, as it is given here for the ex-servicemen category as well as economically welfare section, OBC, SC, ST. Please go through as per your norms. And for the female also, it is given the notification as well as vacancies as per the members respective fields. Well, whatever you want, you can apply for CRPF, BSF, ITBP, CISF and SSB. So CRPF, we are aware that Central Reserve Police Force. Next we have Border Security Force, Tibetan Border Police Force, CISF, Industrial Security Force and SSB, that is Sahastra Seema Bal. So here the lesser vacancy in CISF, among all these, whatever you feel like which is very important and more useful for you, you can join in them. Here it is given as per the male and female category, so please go through that exactly whatever has been given. So I request you guys to go through my playlist. You will find maximum question papers concerning to the CISF tradesmen, and that can be useful for all the examinations, and you have 800 plus videos. So here we have whatever the eligibility criteria for ex-servicemen, how it is given. You can directly go through that. What is the nationality and citizenship? Age limit criteria between 20 and 25. So he has to be between 20 to 25. Ex-serviceman will be applicable, but you have to check the height and eligibility criteria. And next we have the departmental guys also can write the examination. How the examination procedure will be, that will be online mode. You can see exactly what ex-serviceman is here. Here next you have the certificates has to be carried out, and then here we have educational qualification as per the bachelor's degree, that is regular. It has to be regular, or you can even go for the distance education certificates also. And the applying procedure, how it has to be applied, you can directly go through whatever has been given. And the application fee will be 100 rupees for other people, and ex-servicemen will have the no charges for the scheduled caste and tribes along with ex-servicemen. Examination centers will be as per their state, they can apply for that. So for the Andhra Pradesh people, it's a Hyderabad or whatever the centers you like. So you have to go through whatever the examination date place. And what exactly the papers we have. In paper 1 we have the general intelligence and reasoning as usual according to the SSC CGL examination, but the questions will be here 50 questions, 58 total questions will be 200 questions for the 2 hours. In SSC CGL you have only 100 questions for 1 hour. Next you have the certificate, whatever you have, you can directly go through whatever the questions will be asked. So my channel will help you a lot in cracking your job, as well as for the maximum questions will be covered, mathematics and reasoning along with the general knowledge with English also. Next, medical standard has to be there. How exactly the medical and eyesight will be, that has to be good. And what exactly you will have over there is jumping over the vertical board, holding the rope and jumping from the board, Tarzan swing, jumping on the horizontal board, parallel rope, monkey crawl, vertical rope. These are all few contents you should qualify on that. What exactly you should have? Admission certificate. During that you should have at least these admission certificate such as, so you can directly go through whatever it is, you have to have all these documents. So document verification during that time, so what exactly the documents you should have, you can directly go through my this notification. This can be very helpful. So I hope whatever the notification has been given, you can directly go through this. If you type it in internet, you will find that 2020 notification. Please go through this, and whatever exactly the procedure of filling up online application form, you can directly go through this. One time registration password will be asked given, and you will be logged in with the registration number. So then it will be very useful for you to apply again and again instead of doing everything again and again. So this is the procedure how it has to be. So you can directly go through these figures, and you can directly figure out the solution for this, and you can easily fill all these whatever the blogs, and you have to upload the photograph as well as signature and submit it, and take the printout of the application form whichever is applied. So you'll get this form like this, and you have to submit that and take the printout. So whoever defense personnel serving defense personnel can go through this paper and type it out from the unit, and they can get the NOC from the respective unit. So I hope all these question papers, whatever the application papers are there, so please go through my playlist. You will find maximum regarding your examination clearance. Thank you guys. Have a good day. Have a great life.